Alrighty guys, on this one I was going to show you project S10 Sonoma, but I have a problem I discovered this morning. So I come in, oh yeah, it's a project, man. It's torn up, but I was going to do a custom interior, but I was going to turn on my lights in the morning around 4 and I run into this corroded light switch. So now I'm going to try to show you how to fix this. I'm going to straight use just, crimp connectors and everything. But always just, on this case, I'm going to use a pigtail. So now, let's see if I could get this fixed. Alrighty guys, I finally got a pigtail. So I could switch it. Double check that the wires are the same. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, and now what we're gonna do is go one at a time. Cut one and then go to the other one. One at a time. So right here, you're gonna see me. I'm gonna put this one in the trash. I'm not gonna get this one again. So this pigtail, I'm gonna trash it, but I'm gonna give it about that much. I'm gonna try to cut all of them at that point. And you go one at a time, guys. So you click that one and you grab your brown wire, which in this case is my brown wire. Okay. So here I'm prepared. So yeah, and before I crimped it, I added a sleeve of a heat shrink. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strip this one, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stagger them. So this one's gonna get cut here, the other one higher and higher and higher. That way when you finish your repair, you could be able to wrap it and it won't be bulky at one end. See how it's nice and even in all these areas? It's just an even loom. So when you go to stagger your connections, it's gonna be off center instead of just having one bulky chunk of where you crimp all your wires. So let's go ahead and do that. So you get it crimped. Once you get it crimped, you wanna get your heat shrink in it. And then we'll heat it up and next wire. And there you can see my centering skills are not quite there, but there's one. Then according to it, the next one is going to be the red. But see how I have that one? It's so corroded in there. We're going to have to trim that one. And that one from the pigtail and the extension I've made, that one would be this yellow cable. And then so forth and so on, guys. Alrighty, so once you get done, remember, one at a time. That's what I did. And you tested it, that it doesn't pull away. And you get your shrink wrap in there. Get it all shrunken. Once you get it, you know, see, I kind of messed up on my staggering right there. I tried, but I didn't have much room. I should have looked for more room so I could stagger it. See how it became bulky? I should have gotten more aggressive. Alrighty guys, this right here, good time. So, I mean, in this case, I got plenty of access to the wire, but sometimes you don't. So what I do is pre-stretch the electrical tape onto a little 1/4-inch socket that's nice and flat, so I could build my harness real good, nice and tight. I mean, this allows you to just roll the little socket all the way around the harness itself, and you don't have to pull and stretch every time you want to get the tape tighter. Here you can tell it's already pre-stretched. All we gotta do is wrap it around my harness. I grab it. It's already stretching as long as I keep it nice and tight. See, this is what I wanted to avoid, this bulkiness right there. If I would have kept it off center where the other crimp is, and then kept them off, it would have been a much nicer finish. But yeah, and then this way I just go all the way around like they have it done from factory. That way it doesn't look out of the normal, and it'll be protected from, I mean, it's inside. I shouldn't be worried about the elements, but just in case, you know, you just never know, man. Yep, and you just get it all the way, and it's a good little cheat, guys. I hope this helps when you have a electrical problem or something wrong with a switch and your pigtail is damaged. Just, you could do it, just go one at a time and it'll make a repair. Always recommend just go with a factory pigtail. That way you could do those same color wires one at a time and make sure they're in the same location. So now we have to verify. Turn on my lights, my relocation. On, cool. Oh, let's check the other one. I can't tell anything right now, but it's on. We're good. Always verify, guys. Hope this helps you. Catch you in the next one.